Hi everyone, Don Singletary, and welcome to the channel. If you're new, be sure and look in the link below for the beginners playlist to get you up to speed. Today we've got a great video coming up. We're going to trade a NASDAQ100. I recorded the session of trading live, and we're going to go through it, take it apart, and talk about how it works and how we use the signal indicators. That and more coming up right now. In today's video, we'll be trading the NASDAQ100. It trades for $2 a point. And this futures contract, a stock index of the NASDAQ top 100 stocks, is called the Micro Emini, and the symbol is MNQ. And its cash value is, you just take the quoted value, 9708 times 2, and it's $19,416. Now, how much money do you have to put up? Margin money, that is, span minimum margin, to be able to day trade this contract. Well, it's $411. Now, that's amazingly high leverage. That means for every $1 you put up, you're controlling about $47 over there. So 47 to 1 is the leverage ratio. And with that high leverage comes high risk, but also a very high opportunity that you could make a lot of money by putting up a little bit of money. And that's the appeal of futures trading. Now I have some great news for you. Not good, but great. This is the panel of the Tastyworks platform, your trading software. And it's very, very easy. It's easy not because the program's simple and won't do a lot of things. It's easy for us because we're only doing one thing, and that's buying and selling Micro Emini contracts. And the page, I look at it in my mind, and this may help you, as being three parts. Over on the left is called the watch list, and they are the 4 Micro Eminis. You can make different watch lists for different things, but we won't even go into that right now. We're only going to talk about trading Micro Eminis. This is so simple. So this is the first area over here, and that's your watch list. In the middle, obviously, is a chart. Candlesticks on the top, MACD indicator on the bottom. We'll be talking more about that as we go through the live trade in today's video. Now that's 1, watch list, 2, the chart in the middle, and 3, I'm going to go to the upper right up here, and I'm going to click, and I can put in alerts. So I can get a bell ring or a text message or whatever I want whenever highs or lows or certain prices are hit or greater than or less than and all those things. So there you go. You got your alerts, you got your charts, and you got your watch list. 1, 2, 3. That's easy. And watch this. If you're during a trade, and you're going to see this in the video when I'm trading in a few moments, you just hit the positions button up here. It will list all your positions. We only have one on at a time. And it'll tell you the profit you have open, the profit and loss total for the day, the cost, how much money's in your account, all those things at one click of a button. Now to get back to the chart, just go back down here and click that. Now if you say, I don't want to trade a NASDAQ Micro Emini, I want to do a S&P 500. You'll learn this is the symbol for that. As soon as you click it, the chart, everything changes over automatically for you. Now, all that's left to do now, we've got the alerts over here, area number 3, I call it, screen in the middle, and the watch list on the left. Now, if you want to sell something, I'm going to go back to the NASDAQ 100 here. If you want to sell, just click on the bid price, and it fills it in for you. Don't like that price, you want to sell it at a different price, you can toggle up and down, or you can type in a new number. And this review and send, you have to click it twice before you send an order, so you won't accidentally send an order by just clicking once. You'll see that orange box down there, so when you click that, make sure you intend to send a trade. And to be able to buy something, we just click the ask and to sell the bid. And if that's too far to walk, look up top here. You can do the same thing up there. You can go from sell to buy up there. And if you have a position on, you can just, I don't have one in this demo right now, but I'll show you later when I do it. You just right click on it and say close the trade, and you're out of the trade. So that's it. It's simple. 1, 2, 3. I'll be quick about this because the live trade demo is coming right up. There's a link below with more information on Tastyworks. You get free money transfers in and out of your bank, free quotes, free software, Android, Mac, all kinds of software for every device you've got, free news and webinars, zero commission stock trading, and $1 round trip stock options. And you just saw the platform. It's really easy to use, and you get those very low, deep discounted commissions, 85 cents. To trade a Micro Emini, and the span minimum margins. All that is everything you want in a broker, and they have live help phones, no robots. So you'll love that. And now let's get to the live trading demo. My standard setup here, and the zero line in the bottom pane of the MACD gives us a sell signal. A sell signal is when the green line below the red line, and both of those are below that zero line. So 1039. Friday, June 12th, here we go. I'm going to send in an order, and it gets filled right away at 97.08. And you can see in the middle of the screen in the green rectangle the profit loss that's open, and also what the futures contract is trading for now. And we're just about even money at 97.10. And you can see the gray bars, vertical, are the relative volume for the day. Now we're at about 97.15 right now. We're right in the middle of the trade, and we're down about 20 bucks during that first minute of the trade. I'm going to use the one of the tools for the Tastyworks screen. I'm going to put in a horizontal line, a blue line that's going to show us the price at which we are short this Micro Emini contract. And I'm going to make that blue, and there we go. So we're short at 97.08. We're trading 97.20. It's about 12 points. We're down $24 right now. And one of the things, $19 is where we're down at 1041. Only about 1 minute into the trade. You can see there. Now, look at this. We still have plenty of downward momentum. That green line is below the red line, and it's a good trade signal. It's strong, and it leaves very little doubt there. And one thing we're going to do, you can look at the height of those red bars there and the white bars on the chart. Some of them one goes from 97.40 up to 97.80. That's 40 points, or a variance of $80 in a 5-minute segment. So this is a fairly volatile time for the market with the pandemic going on and all those things. And plus, it's Friday. A lot of accounts are evening up. We're at about 97.20 now. So we're down to about $24 right now in the trade, and we're about 1 or 2 minutes into the trade here, and everything seems to be going well. Advanced now up to 10:43, the third minute of a trade. We're at 97.20, still about $25 down, and it isn't on the screen, of course, but you can see the MACD below is still right where it was when we placed the trade. 10:45, about 4 minutes into the trade, we're 97.08, even money. And so we've been down $20, $24, and now we're back down to about even money. I constantly go back and check this MACD indicator down there, because if I see that those two lines, that red and green line down there on the bottom, if I see them going back together, that's a convergence, and that would be a sign for me to definitely close the trade, whether I'm ahead or behind on the trade. And right now I'm a little bit behind. It's 97.27. So that's about $40 that we're drawdown in the trade right now. But remember, on this day, you see we've got an $80 variance in every 5 minutes. So if you put a stop too close, like 5 or 10 points away, you're almost certainly going to get stopped out in the trade. And of course, as my friend Gustafsson used to say, if you want to ride the bus, you got to buy a ticket. It's going to be a risky trade. We're about $50 down right now. But with the market varying $80 in 5 minutes, that's not a terrible thing. 97.31, $46 down right now. So the trade seems to be holding its own. We're back down to 97.18 now, and the time is 10:48. Remember, we put the trade on at about 10:41, and it's 10:48 now. So we're 7 minutes in, about $14 down, and we're letting this trade play itself out here to see what happens next. 7 minutes into the trade, almost even money. We're down $6 here. At least it's going the right way. 97.10 is where it's at, and we shorted at 97.08, so we're $4 down. 10:49, that makes us 8 minutes into the trade. And at 97.10, we're only down $4 in the trade. We have a good, you can't see it on the screen, but the MACD indicator down there is still indicating a sell signal, and no sign that those lines will be converging. Here we go. This is more like it, 9,700, so we're $16 ahead on the trade at 9 minutes in. And watching closely, this could be the move that we have been wishing for. And at 96.95, we're about $26 up in the trade. And it does seem to be moving our way this time. Now, I'm starting to think at this particular time, since I'm short at 97.08 and we're way down trading at, you can see on the right side there, the relative strength indicator on the MACD was very strongly down, and it moved pretty fast, and we're $44 up in the trade right now. And you know, I hate to give the money back once it's on the board. So now my mind goes to think, how can I put in a stop order here? We're at 97.08 short, so 15,823. We're about $46 up, and $41 up in the trade currently. 96.89, kind of stalled out there on the way down, but we're still, hey, we're up $50, so that's really good. 97.08 down to 96.81. We're $55.50 up. And now for sure, I'm going to put in a stop market order here so I can lock in some of the profits on this trade. The $51, $55, whatever we have ahead at the moment. I want to put in a stop market order so I can make sure that this I don't give those profits back. And I decided to put one in at 96.90. Now that's only 18 points from where we shorted it. So I just locked in the first $36 profit of this trade. And my plan is, as it goes on down, we're up $66 now. As it goes on down, we're trading 96.74 now. And I decided it's time to move this stop down and lock in a little bit more of that profit. And I'm going to put in a stop now at 96.85. That was just 5 points, but at $10 is $10, right? Immediately, I decide to go back and change it again because it's going down pretty fast. So 96.75 now is where we're at, and it's trading at 96.60. We're up $96 in the trade. This is 8 or 9 minutes in, and I sure as heck don't want to give that $98 back. But if I put my stop too close, I'll get stopped out. But if I get stopped out at 9 or 10 minutes with a $70, $80 profit, it's not such a bad thing. You know what I'm saying? So I go down to 96.70 and put this stop in there, the stop market order, 96.70. And if I'm stopped out at 96.70, I'm not going to be sad because in about 10 minutes, I still made a profit of about $76. And we'll see what happens here. It's down at 96.61 now, so we're about $82 ahead at this particular moment. But we're trading 96.62. The stop is at 96.70, and we'll see what happens next. 96.62. And it seems to be moving up slightly. We're pretty close to the 70. I think we were just hit, yeah. Okay, so we were stopped out at 96.70 with a $76 profit. Now we'll do a little trade summary. The duration, as you see, was about 16 minutes. Maximum drawdown around $57 to $59. I'm not sure which. And the maximum unrealized profit at any point was $99.50. And I put in a stop market order and I changed it 3 times during the 16 minutes or so of the trade for a profit of 38 points or $76. And now I need your help in something. I want you to hit the like button if you want to see more videos like this one. That's what the like button is here for. It lets me know what you need as you're learning to trade these micro E-minis. And if you could do that, I would appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified of the new videos when they go up immediately. And check the link for my book below. And there's a lot more information about Tastyworks, the broker, and more details on them at the Tastyworks link below. This is Don Singletary. I hope every day is a payday for you. And thank you.